Welcome to my video series. If you didn't know, I live in the south of England and I decided I needed to go and see all my friends on a nice big loop. Right, good morning. We're gonna go repair my bike now. It's a little bit messed up. Let's see how bad it is. First of all, let's see how bad it is. I think you'll be quite shocked. Right then. It's a little bit messed up in there. So, plan today is to take all this off, see what I need, then order it all hopefully in a bit when they open. And it's raining.
This is what holidays are made for.
Yeah, well, it's a trip, isn't it? Road trip. Well, we found an angle grinder, just cut through the chain.
That works.
And now we're gonna take the chain off. Oh, need to put it into neutral again. It's the old messed up chain off. Let's take the sprocket off. Oh!
Easy.
Look at that, look how... So suspiciously, this went very well, which I'm a bit shocked about, but yeah. Okay, so we're going to clean up. I'm going to take this, actually I'm going to clean up down there as well, make sure it's all clean and everything, ready to go back on. And then yeah. But yeah, the sprocket's all off. Very, very beefy ninja death throwing style that is. Okay, right. And this charger's broken, so let's get that off. Okay, well the bike's all apart now. And what I'm going to do is now we have to wait for BMW Motorworks to send me the parts. I did phone them up saying, please dispatch it first thing you do. And hopefully it's here Thursday, because if it comes Thursday I can put it together Thursday and I'm away on Friday. So yeah, that's the plan. So right, we'll see how we go. I'd like to get away on Friday. It means I don't have to use any motorway or anything like that. But if I don't leave a day late, I'm gonna leave a day late. And I miss out on a couple of things, but oh well. One of those things can't be helped. So I made myself useful and updated his computer BIOS. It was a bit of a pain to do, but it did go through eventually. Then he said, come look at the damage on the Croft. And they said, well, you know what? We got all this brash we got to get chipping, and our chipper's broken. So do you want to have a look at that? Bit random, but I just repaired that and got it working. It was electrical, but I found the problem and it's running now. Now you get to do some wood chipping.
Yeah, fucking wizard, mate.
Yeah, wizard. So with the parts in order, the end problem is being this far up into the Highlands, there's no such thing as next day delivery. In the evening, to celebrate the chipper being repaired, we went for a meal in the local hotel.